So friends, welcome to Gulf Food 25. We are meeting exhibitors who are working in different segments. So even though it's a food and beverage exhibition, we know that animal feed, cattle feed is one of the biggest industry in the world. Here we found one company which is trading in different commodities like grains, lentils, pulses, cattle feed, oils, all those things. So ABC Global Resource Inc. from USA. Let's talk to them and understand their product, their prices, and the experience about Gulf Food. Welcome to Import-Export Federation. So please introduce yourself and your company, sir.
Yes, my name is Asad Khan. I am representing ABC Global Resources. We are US-based trading company. We operate out of Sterling, Virginia, in the East Coast, and from New Jersey, close to the port of Newark and Elizabeth Seaport. And our products are, as far as the animal feeds are concerned, are soya and corn.
Okay.
So we have corn DDGS, conventional 27 to 29% protein and up to 50% protein, but mostly we do 27 to 40% protein as far as the DDGS is concerned. And we also do CGM, which is corn gluten meal, which is 60% high pro. And we also do corn silage. And as far as soya is concerned, we do soya meal, soya itself. As you can see, we are displaying, this is a soya for animal consumption, soybean, and this is high grade 1, which is ideal for human consumption. And this is a meal, it's a GMO, GMO soya meal. It's 46.5% protein.
Okay.
And besides that, we also do corn. This is animal consumption. We do YC2 and also both the conventional and organic for the Dubai market mainly. And as far as India is concerned, we do meal products for energy, for cattle, and so mainly non-GMO. And besides animal, we also have a couple of products which are for human consumption. As you can see, chickpeas and rich leaves. And we also do yellow peas when market allows. I should say government allows. So right now, after 28th of February, there will be ban on yellow peas. So we will not be doing yellow peas after end of the month.
Okay.
But whenever the window opens, we do bulk in containers, big quantity of yellow peas to India.
Right. So basically, whatever products you mentioned, these are all from US origin? US?
Mainly USA.
Okay.
Some from Canada, but mainly USA.
Okay. So this is a big country. I mean, so you procure, how do you procure this many products? I mean, you have different suppliers, manufacturers, and then you are sourcing from them and marketing this product.
Yeah, that is correct. Our main focus as far as sourcing is concerned is farmers and co-ops.
Okay.
So we work with them, we sign a contract with them, and then, when the season comes, when the crop is ready, we take the crop and then we process it and sell it. Give a farmer or a farmer dress.
रुको इसी तरह मैं हर महीने दुबई मार्केट में जाता हूँ, इंडस्ट्री, प्रोडक्ट, बायर इनसे मिलता हूँ और मार्केट के ट्रेंड, डिमांड, सप्लाई समझता हूँ। ये सारा नॉलेज कैप्चर करके मैं वीडियो के माध्यम से आप सबको एजुकेट करता हूँ। इसी तरह आपको और वीडियो देखने हैं तो हमारा यूट्यूब मेंबरशिप ज्वाइन कीजिए। अगर ऑलरेडी किया है तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए।
How old is this company, sir?
We registered this company in 2011, and then in New Jersey 2013. And Virginia company was registered about 6 years ago.
Okay.
So it's the same company. We have different offices. And as far as the online trading is concerned, with the different name, we have been in business since 99. 99,
Okay.
yes.
What's your current volume of trade? Maybe in terms of number of containers?
It depends. It depends on different products. but I would say overall we do about 300 to 500 containers a month or every 6 weeks.
And which are your top markets for these products?
Top market is Middle East, Asia, Far East, and also South America.
Right. So, what's the competition in this market, sir? I mean, you are sending this from USA. Many of the products are available from India and nearby Asian countries. So, what is the competition in this product?
Basically, you are correct. It's a very price-sensitive market. But as far as when customer tells us they need a particular product with the good quality and service and reliability and sustainability, then we go with the US product. I mean, if the client says they need control aflatoxin and high quality DDGS, then we only give them from USA. Otherwise, I don't want to name the country, but if they don't, if they are able to work with the quality or aflatoxin, then we give them non-US DDGS as well.
So, you offer both the product. You have both the options.
Yeah, we give them, basically we let the customer decide, we consult them, we advise them, but if the customer says the price is the most important factor, then we give them, I would say, non-US products.
So, let's say when it comes to competition, price is the important factor. So, what is the price difference between Indian products, let's say this soya meal, and US products?
There is quite a bit of difference, but just say if someone requires non-GMO soya meal or organic soya meal, then India has a good quality and competitive prices. When it comes to that, then I would say we go with India. So over there, India product has more value.
That's how it is, friend. So, what are your general payment terms, sir, when you deal with customers?
It depends on the client. We do the due diligence KYC on the client. If the client is good, first class client, we have no issues working on a CAD or on a credit term. But if the client is new or credit is not so good or they are not known, then it is at least 30% advance or a confirmed letter of credit from a top bank.
Okay. So, you have any instrument to cover the payment risk?
I mean, we work with EXIM Bank and different, insurance, credit insurance. So we lose some percent, but at least most portion of the credit is covered.
Right. You also provide third-party inspection and all other technical certificates required?
Yes, absolutely. As far as the third party is concerned, mostly we do the SCS and Cotecna, but we also do some local small ware in-house. In-house or not very well-known inspection companies. Again, it depends, if the customer says, I need top inspection, or if it's particularly when it's organic, there are authentic organic organizations like USDA organic, so we use them. But otherwise, if the customer says, I just need inspection, regular inspection, then we hire local companies.
Okay. So how do you do the marketing of your company and your product? How do you find customers?
We go to trade shows like this. We have our marketing reps and through networking and through word of mouth and obviously online, social media, advertising, and but mostly I would say through trade associations and through trade shows.
Okay. So do you work with the brokers or agents also?
Yes, absolutely. We work with credible and known brokers or indenters, both in India, Middle East, all over the world.
Right.
But if they are less known, then we make sure we do due diligence and do the KYC before we get them on board.
Right. That is the purpose of talking to you basically, because we are a group of exporters, importers, and many of our people would like to deal with companies like you because they see demand in this product. So maybe they can connect you with the customers as a broking firm, and they can book their commission. So how much commission usually offers, sir?
Usually, this is a commoditized product. End client is very well aware of the product. So we usually offer 1% commission. And sometimes, when volume is high, about $2 per ton. But that is a little bit negotiable. But we don't do anything which is out of the norm because, we operate from United States. We cannot have commissions where it goes to I don't want to say the term, but in banking terms, when it is out of the norm, we don't entertain that. Usually we offer 1% commission, or if the quantity is bigger, it's a high volume, then $2 per ton. But commissions are usually, we understand some, as far as the industry standard commissions, we are okay with it, but nothing out of the norm.
Right. So if our members want to get associated with your company, so they can work as a marketing or channel partner for your company because they can promote this product then.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Right. So this is an opportunity for us to connect with this kind of company.
Absolutely.
Right. So now, sir, can we talk about the FOB prices of your top selling products?
See, usually we don't give prices
Okay.
in the trade shows,
Okay.
but I can probably, I would say maybe
The
we can
tentative
talk
prices,
about.
that's also fine. I mean, anyway, prices
Yeah,
changes commodity.
yeah.
every day.
See, US product they go on Chicago board. So if you are interested, our website, if you go all the way at the bottom,
Right.
you will see the prices. And only thing is, you have to contact or one of our member to ask the premium. Otherwise, you have to add the premium. That is the price.
Okay.
So there's all the products, so many products, all the prices are there as per market.
Right.
Whether it is sugar, beans, peas, whatever is there, the prices are there.
Right. You are supplying to cattle feed industry, many products in cattle
Right.
feed industry.
Right.
What is the future of this cattle feed industry? What is the volume, current market, and what do you see the future?
See, as far as future is, I see gradual growth. It's expanding, particularly in this part of the world. I mean, Eastern Hemisphere, I should say, because population is here. It's growing population, and with that, everything is increasing. We are seeing high volume and tremendous growth. Particularly, I would say India, China, and Middle East.
Okay. So, friends, that's an opportunity. It's a big industry, and still there is a space for newcomers also, sir. You think like that?
Absolutely, there is. Just the thing is, do learn the process, go through the process. Don't try to become a millionaire in one shot or so.
Yeah.
Otherwise, go slow and learn and work with expert veterans and seasoned individual, and the sky's the limit.
Right. I think that's a big advice, great advice for all of us. Whoever want to get into this industry or who are the new exporters, importers, they can please connect with such companies and start your trade and grow your trade. Thank you.
One since you mentioned about as newcomers, I would say try to join as student. It doesn't mean that you are a 19 years old student. Just join as a student and go to shows, talk to the suppliers and buyers. There are programs for students, so join there as student program. So that is the first step. Once you get an idea, then go as a junior trader.
Right.
And all.
So that's a very valuable advice because every business, every industry now there are professional and services available. So instead of taking some risk, you should learn it, know the business, connect with the good people, and then start it gradually. I think that's a great advice. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for your such a wonderful knowledge and insight. It will help new generation entrepreneurs, and they can definitely trade with you also. Thank you, sir.